Coveted 3-bedroom Gulf front Mariner condo available. This furnished, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with a direct Gulf view is now available at the Mariner Condominiums. This westside unit is spacious and has a well laid out floor plan with a fantastic view of the Gulf. The Mariner complex is about to embark on many updates. These upgrades will begin in 2025 and leave the Mariner in tip-top shape. This is an excellent opportunity to own your slice of paradise on Perdido Key. The Mariner offers approximately 400 feet of sugar white sandy beachfront, plenty of space for all to enjoy. The Mariner is a well-established beach complex with an on-site rental desk and many great amenities, including a Gulf-side pool, tennis courts with pickleball, clubhouse, boat launch, boat dock, and first come, first